Popo.
Hi friends, it's Popo. Let's draw today. Get your pencil ready. Come on, let's play. 3, 2, 1, go.
Cinnamoroll. Let's begin with the eyes. Wow, beautiful eyes. Now, let's draw that cute mouth. Piece of cake. Now, let's draw those charming cheeks. Great job! Now, let's draw the face. Great! Now with the headdress. Awesome! Next, those cute little hands. You are an artist! Now, let's draw that body. Almost there. Next, those two little feet. What an artwork! To finish it, the Cinnamoroll tail. Yay! Congratulations, artists! Great job! See, I know you can do it. Send us your artwork so we can feature it on our next video.
Hi friends, it's Popo. Let's draw today. Get your pencil ready. Come on, let's play.